Hello and namaste. We meet again. Today we have something really exciting for you guys. This is a gaming chair from Green Soul, and this is from their Monster Ultimate series. And the ratings on Amazon were really high for this product. So I'm kind of excited to see what it is, what it looks like. And I think, in this day and age, lockdown, working from home, having comfort as you're working on your laptop is really important. I know comfort is important with this guy, and I'm sure it is for you guys as well. And I think this is going to be super exciting. So without further ado, let's get right into it.
Moral support comes in many forms, guys. If you didn't see it on the cover, the particular model I'm unboxing is a GS-734 UT, which costs just under 20 grand. When you open the box, the first thing you find is the backrest, which feels pretty solid. Instead of the typical manual booklet, you get this one sheet which has all the instructions on how to assemble the chair. Here we have the lumbar and neck pillow, both of which are adjustable. 2 armrests, as you expect in most chairs. The base here is nice and heavy, giving it a solid feel. This is what they call the newly engineered frog mechanism, which looks pretty solid. This is the flat seat. To my surprise, they also included these gloves, which I'm assuming is for the whole assembly process. Would have been nice if they had put this right on top. I'm guessing this has their toolkit and other small parts. Wow, this set looks really pro. Here are the 5 wheels, the hydraulic piston which enables you to go up and down, the piston cover, and lastly the side covers, which feel slightly plasticky, but that's life. Putting together the Green Soul gaming chair was actually kind of fun. The wheels literally just pop into the base, as does the piston. The next step is to screw the armrest onto the flat seat. Keep in mind that they are labeled left and right. Now we need to screw the frog mechanism onto the bottom of the seat. There are 4 big screws for this. Make sure you tighten all 4 screws together so you don't have any alignment issues. I initially tightened just 3 of them, which led to a bit of a delay. The base can now simply be placed on the frog, and the chair is now almost complete. I must say, it looks pretty good. The backrest was the hardest to put on. You definitely need help to do this, otherwise you will end up ripping the leather around the screw holes. Next, come on the side covers, which also need to be screwed on with the 2 small screws you will find in the toolkit pack. The chair is almost complete. We just need to install the lumbar and neck pillow. The chair feels quite premium and comfortable, guys. If you're here for the first time, do hit that like and subscribe button. I would really appreciate it.